Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're traveling in 2025 and want to ditch those physical hotel keys, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to add a hotel key to your Apple Wallet. This feature makes check-ins faster, more secure, and eco-friendly. Whether you're staying at a major chain or a boutique hotel, it's super straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS update for 2025. Apple has enhanced Wallet with better integration for digital keys, so head to Settings, General, Software Update and install any available updates. This ensures everything works smoothly. Next, download the hotel's official app from the App Store. Most major hotels like Marriott or Hilton support this, but always check if your hotel is compatible. Once installed, open the app and log in with your reservation details. Look for the Digital Key or Mobile Key section. It's usually under your booking or account settings. Now, tap on the option to add the key to Apple Wallet. You'll see a prompt to confirm. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Your iPhone might ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security. After that, the key will appear in your Wallet app, ready to use with NFC technology. One important tip: ensure Bluetooth and NFC are enabled in your control center. Some hotels require you to tap your phone to a reader at the front desk to activate it fully. If you run into issues, double-check your hotel's app for any specific requirements or restart your phone. And there you have it. Your hotel key is now in Apple Wallet. This not only saves time but also reduces plastic waste. If you're new to this, give it a try on your next trip and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.